You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and this name. Yes, because it's both. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but sometimes confusing words and names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So if you want to use this as an adjective, as in something that is even more messy than something else, then that is said as messier, messier, messier. But if it's a name, because that's a real name, generally French name, it is said as, in French, Messier. Messier is how it is said. So I guess in English it would be more as Messier, Messier. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.